Today I'm going to show you how to make a Spider-Man web string thing for cosplay and photo shoots. You're going to need a hot glue gun, some hot glue sticks. One is good for roughly 20 inches of thick, medium thickness string, and you're also going to need a cardboard box. Once your hot glue gun is warmed up, you're going to want to start taking the strings, put a big dab of hot glue, as shown. You're going to take it all the way across, set it down on the other side, take another one all the way back. You're going to repeat this process a few times until you have roughly medium thickness string. And, time-lapse time. This string only took roughly 5 minutes to make. Once you've got a few strands of the hot glue string going across pretty well, you're going to take them and you're going to roll them up between your fingers, which will make a little bit of a thicker string and it'll condense the string, which allows you to make more string. To make longer strings, you can heat up the end of them with the hot glue gun. I don't even have something to compare that to because it's just nothing else does anything like that. So I mean, the string's pretty strong. You can hold it with my phone. I don't even know how much that weighs, but